Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeover on Mother. And before we get started, I'd like to thank Jenny Craig for sponsoring this video.
I was on FameBit and I saw that Jenny Craig was there and I was like, I need Jenny Craig. Through that I discovered their YouTube channel and they have a new reality show that's called My Full Plate.
And it's really funny and cute, and it follows a young mom and her family.
Yes, it's very inspiring.
They're doing the Jenny Craig
Rapid Results program in this series.
Yeah.
So you follow their journey, their weight loss journey, as Katie, that's the mom's name. She does the Rapid Results program with her husband. Katie, the mom, is about to be the maid of honor in her sister's wedding, and so she wants to lose weight for that. So yeah, I binge watched it. It's fun and cute, and I'll roll a clip for you right now.
I'm Katie. My husband and I have crazy lives. And what is also crazy is our bad relationship with food. So here's the deal. My sister gets married in 12 weeks. I'm the maid of honor and I need to feel confident on her big day.
This time around, we'll have a little bit better pictures at Christy's wedding. Jenny Craig's gonna help me get there.
This time we're serious about getting healthy.
They're not perfect people who do it all perfectly and great, and they're complete and done within a month. They followed through the whole thing.
Yeah, they mess up some. It's a realistic version of weight loss journey.
Click the link down below if you want to watch that. Not exactly if you want to lose weight, but it's a good little show for you to watch.
Yeah, even if you're not looking to lose weight, it's still a fun vlog style video. I know you guys like vlogs, so I think you'll like it. So anyway, let's get into my makeover. So I have glasses now because I can't see.
Because she's blind.
I'm really not wearing glasses for the effect of better results at the end of this makeover. I really actually should be wearing glasses. I have astigmatism in both eyes.
I'm going to put overtone into Mother's hair to make it more rose gold than this orange color.
For this video, I went to get my hair dyed blonde so that Emma could put color in it. I had done overtone the extreme orange like a couple months ago, and apparently it was still in my hair because when they did my highlights, my hair turned peach.
I'm going to add some more pink into Mother's hair with rose gold.
Yeah, we
to
don't
make it less orange.
Yeah, we don't have the extreme pink anymore left, but we do have rose gold, so.
Yeah.
Toss. Am I good at the well?
You know who's good at the wall? Daddy's good at the wall.
Let me see your well. I keep getting large strands and then getting it all over every other strand of hair near it, so.
It's okay, it's just gonna be subtle.
Alright, we're done, and I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Do these even fit you?
Not all of them.
Do you have leggings? You don't have any jeans that fit you or anything? I'm gonna give her a blowout with this weird blow dryer thingy. So we have finished the hair portion, and you can kind of see pink in there, and it also is no longer in a ponytail. Pretty good.
That thing has been sitting in a box for an unboxing video that we never did. That thing is amazing.
It's cool.
I want to see Emma do it. Comment down below if you want to see Emma do it. I want to see how it works on her hair.
Now it's time to do Mother's makeup. This isn't your color.
That's my foundation stick that they matched me.
Look at that. It's completely different.
What is it? pretty good.
Nice.
Do I look like you?
Yeah, you look like me.
Well, thank you, Emma, for my beautiful makeover. And you guys do not forget to go check out the link down below and go watch the My Full Plate little mini series from Jenny Craig. I think you guys would really love it, especially if you like watching our vlogs. It's easy to binge watch and it's very inspiring. So please go check it out.
Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter, and peace out, YouTubey.
Maybe I could give you a makeover the next one.
You're on the edge of Karen. Not like Amanda Faye, Mom. And not Karen. But an in-between.
I can be a Karen.
You could be. You really could.
In fact, that day in Sephora, I kind of was a Karen. But see, I'm not Karen enough to talk to the manager, but I am Karen enough to email.